friend. Welcome back to the craft table at Sunny Miles Studio. Today we're going to be doing just some play with our watercolors. Just some relaxing painting in our sketchbooks and just enjoying seeing what our different colors are and the different shades that we can get, the different values and what colors go well together. So grab whatever paints you have and whatever brushes and paper, and let's get down to the craft table. I'm going to move this closer so we can see the paper a little better. I'm going to get a new page. This was an idea I saw on Instagram on Jenfieldmakes account, and I thought it looked just really relaxing and fun, just to chance to play with the watercolors and see. Sometimes it's just nice to test out what colors you have and how they go together. So I'm just gonna spray with a little spray bottle, just dampen my paints here. Sometimes I get so busy painting that I don't take time to play and explore my paint colors. So with this idea, I'm getting a saturated color and making kind of an L shape and a smaller one inside of it. Then dabbing off some of the paint and finishing the box. So you kind of have two rectangles and then a little blob inside. And you can make whichever sides you want, darker or lighter. Varying them probably makes it more interesting when you're all done to look at. And you can see what complementary colors go well together. So I have yellow here. I think I want to try putting the purple next to them. Try this other kind of purpley color. It's kind of a good way to see the darker shades and the lighter shades you can get from the same paint color. And I think I'm gonna do some pink next to this taupe color. And maybe a green next to the pink, since those are complementary. Trying a whole bunch of greens here. And then I think I'm going to try this dark brown. This one down here, next to the mauve. Go in with a light pink here. These sorts of exercises are so relaxing to me. They're also a good way to practice your brush strokes and just get your hand and arm used to moving and painting. Sometimes when you've had a little break from watercoloring, it's nice to do these simple exercises just to get the feel of painting again. Oops, I forgot to finish that guy. And let's see, I think I'll try some of the blues down here. Kind of a greenish blue here. I'd love to hear from you what you like to do to relax in your sketchbook. Are there any certain things you like to paint or exercises like this that you like to do? This color is very similar to that other one, isn't it? Or did I just paint the same color? Oop. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Anyway, you get the idea on this one. I hope this was a helpful exercise to you, and I look forward to painting again with you soon. Have a great day.